In this video, we are going to look at that question. I want to change careers. What should I do? Remember, this is a part of our Empowered Prevention series. It is about helping you to guide people in ways that support them. You're either a coach, consultant, team lead, or manager, or you just want to know this for your own personal reasons. Maybe you want to change careers and you want to find some support for that. With the L.A.M communication process, L.A.M, yes, is an acronym after the initials of my name. However, it's just something simple for you to always remember when you are communicating with people. The L stands for listen. You always want to listen between the lines. And in other words, you want to listen for the tone of their voice and watch their body language if you are standing face-to-face with them or you're on a video call with them. And then you move to step 2, which is assess. You always want to find out more information because it's the context. If someone were just to ask you that question, I want to change careers, what should I do? Tell me more. Give me the context of why, what's gone on before that. So it's always about assessing and getting that contextual information. And then you move on to step 3, which is to ask that meaningful question that's going to guide them in a way that supports them, because ultimately it's about that self-empowered solution, not you giving them the solution, but them coming up to that. So that question and that activity will do that. All right, so as we continue on with this video, we are going to move through these different steps. And the next part of this video is step 2. Let's get some more context to this question. All right, let's listen in.
Dear Louise, I am so bored at work. Nothing excites me. I dread getting up in the morning. I don't love what I do, never did. But if I change careers, what will my family think of me? I really want to change careers to be more fulfilled in life. What should I do?
You just listened in for the context, more information regarding that question. I want to change careers. What should I do? And as you were listening, you really were focused on the context because you want to get a sense of, okay, what is at the heart of this? And obviously, every time this question could be asked by 50 people, and every time it will have a different context to it. So I want to just help you to be aware of that, because I'm always asked, oh, well, what should I do? What question? And it really is to be able to dance with people, get into that dance of listening to them, being aware of them, having your complete focus on them so that you can assess. And it's not about analyzing them, it's just about assessing the context, because that meaningful question has to relate to the context. And as we were listening, a great question is, what do you value? And when you ask people that question, what do you value, it helps them to reconnect with what is important to them. And there are so many distractions in our world, and people are just always frantic, and that fear of missing out, and fear is just consuming them so much. And maybe, just that feeling of dread and the fact that they might want to always be a lot more excited. So it's about, what do you value? Now, obviously, I have created a whole entire activity, questions, tips for you so that, I want to change careers. These are those change career tips that you can provide. And you find that, well, as we continue on, I'll share with you exactly where you find that.
Well, that is a wrap for this video. Before you leave, I have 3 quick reminders to share with you. But before we get to that, let me ask you, what did you think of this empowered prevention? Do you have another solution that you can share in the comments section? As always, I appreciate that you've spent your valuable time with me. All right, here are those 3 quick reminders. Number 1, click on the thumbs up if this video resonated with you. Number 2, Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already done so. And number 3, visit louiseandmaurice.com to download the free What Should I Do PDF document that accompanies this video. No email address is required.